In the rare instance your Pitco SG Millivolt fryer isn't heating properly, you can do some quick diagnostics before calling a technician. Here are a couple of possible issues and resolutions that can get your fryer back up and running. In some cases, your fryer isn't heating up because the high limit switch has tripped. The switch is either located behind the front door or in the back of the fryer. To resolve this issue, press the red button on the high limit. This should reset the high limit. If it continuously trips, contact an authorized service technician to repair or replace the component. If the high limit isn't tripped, check the pilot. If there isn't a flame or a very low flame, you'll need to light the pilot manually on SG Millivolt fryers. Follow the pilot lighting procedures for the Pitco SG Millivolt fryer. This is available in the operator's manual or on the Partstown YouTube channel. If your fryer still isn't heating properly, contact an authorized technician for help. For more diagnostic tips, please subscribe to our YouTube channel or visit partstown.com.